I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Stop the engine and allow the unit to cool for at least 5 minutes before you touch it. Always disconnect the spark plug wire and tuck it away before starting work. Drain or stabilize fuel and turn the choke off before handling the cutting head. Wear eye protection, heavy gloves, and closed-toed shoes during guard removal and reassembly. Work on a flat, stable surface and keep bystanders at least 10 feet away. Prepare a clean area to lay parts in order. Use a 10 mm socket or 5/16-inch wrench to remove the 2 bolts securing the guard. Hold the cutting head spool with a block of wood and loosen the cutting head nut counterclockwise. Remove the spool, then carefully detach the spring clip and washer assembly. Slide the plastic guard away from the gearbox and inspect mounting tabs for cracks. Clean debris with a brush and compressed air before reinstalling any parts. Set removed fasteners aside in a labeled container to avoid mixing them up. Reinstall the guard and hardware in the reverse order of removal, making sure parts seat correctly. Tighten guard bolts snugly and torque them to about 8 ft-lb to prevent loosening in use. Verify the guard clears the cutting line by at least 3.5 inches to maintain safety. If your updated model uses a keyed collar or locator tab, align the keyway before tightening the cutting head nut. Reconnect the spark plug wire and run the trimmer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.